Is to turn this Kodak camera into a night vision camera. Let's see how well it holds up. So I have an infrared light. I'm actually going to start recording. See how well it works? I can't seem to find anything. Okay, I think I found it. Hold on, let me find it. Okay. Let's see how well, so you guys can see it. See how well. Oh wow, it actually worked. It's so bright. Oh wow. See, it can pick it up. If I zoom in. Oh wow. So cool. Everything's all bright. See? I mean, yeah, the phone's picking it up, but wow. Let's do another test. Okay, everyone, now we're gonna close the door. Now I actually put higher voltage batteries and a remote control. Okay, you can see the screen right here. So I have the remote. Okay, you see? You guys can actually see the remote. You see that right there? You can only see a little bit. This camera, let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's like a flashlight. Here, let's face down. Look, it's like a flashlight. That's so cool. You can see, what is that? Oh, it's a water bottle. It's like a flashlight. Oh. Here, let's put on high ISO. Oh, look at that. With high ISO, it's really bright. Like, look how bright that is. Damn. Look at that. See? And you guys can't see it. See? You guys can't see it. Now, that's what I call a cool... Yeah, I'm going to love this night vision camera. If you guys want to know how to do it, let me know.